Digital transformation has introduced not only more computer-related resources, but also the concept of digital services. Users expect to find the answers and support they need all available online in a few clicks, and preferably all at one place. Online self-service support centers have thus become very popular as a way to offer content to educate users, to encourage them to be self-sufficient, to chat with a support team, or to start support requests and tickets. More and more companies now have a web-based support center in place, especially when they sell products or software. And to set it up, they often resort to support center software such as Zendesk. Zendesk is among the most popular in the so-called problem management software category. It's a platform which delivers various services, a support center or guide, a chat, and a ticket system. But together with the advantages of offering all these solutions in one place, we have complexity which may be very hard for Zendesk users to grasp, as each of these features has its own processes and challenges. But setting up a help desk doesn't have to be difficult. Newired can help Zendesk users all the way. We provide a user-friendly authoring environment for non-technical people to easily design and create the guides, announcements, tooltips, polls, and other content that will be implemented on your web application and available in context when it's needed by those who matter the most, the users. Journeys, one of the products by Newired, are step-by-step tutorials which guide users through the completion of any task on web-based software. Let's see some examples of journeys to help Zendesk guide users. They're ideal to help those who maintain the Help Center by, for example, adding and updating articles. The first journey helps users add a new article to their support center. As software interfaces are not always intuitive, this journey can make sure users complete the process quickly and smoothly. Notice the spotlight effect, which highlights the elements concerned and doesn't allow users to interact with elements outside the process. This helps eliminate mistakes and boosts confidence. The second journey helps users sort their uploaded articles, for example by placing them in different categories. Once again, this assists users who have trouble finding their way through the software interface. But setting up a help desk doesn't have to be difficult, nor does consulting a help center built with Zendesk as a customer. Newired can help Zendesk users all the way. Now see some tips which can help customers consulting a help center built with Zendesk when they're submitting a support request. These tips give them more information on the fields they need to fill in, helping to optimize communication and accelerate the issue resolution. We only have time to show just this little sample of how Newired can help support center creators using Zendesk. But remember, Newired's contextual guidance layer can be added to virtually any web-based software, including your own. Why not contact us today for some more information?